welcome back to my channel. My name is Kenzie, and today we're doing Fizzygloop Unicorn Slime. Let's open it up. Oh my gosh, that's everything. Let's see what's in here. It says everything that came in a kit. Step 1, take 2 cups like this. And cup number 1, you have to put 100 ml of water in the cup. And then add your cinnamon packet, 1 scoop, a 1 level soup, and then stir it up until it dissolves. This is now our activator. When it's also like this, put it to the side. Now grab your second cup. Take 1 scoop of your Fizzygloop into the cup. I'm pouring it in, and then I'm stirring it up. Once it's stirred like this, you have to use a beaker like came in the box. You have to take your beaker and then your Fizzygloop stuff, and then you have to pour it into the 41, and it's right there with a 3 and a 0. See it? And pour it in. Here's the way. Now you have to add the glitter into the glue. Let's pour it in. Next, add baking soda. Use the stick to mix it up. When it's all mixed, it should look like this. Pour the Fizzygloop activator in carefully and then stir it. Now we're going to stir it and we're going to see it rise. It's rising. It's rising. Oh my god. It's getting fizzy. It's going down that side. It's going down that side. Oh my gosh. It's also going down. It's working. Look at the fizzy. Look, it's bubbling. And now we're going to stir it until it turns into slime. It's going to look watery at first, but keep mixing. Now I'm going to pour it out and then touch it with my hands. My, that's a lot. Scoopy. Look at it. When I do this, it's turning into slime. Okay, it takes a little bit to turn into slime. Look, it's actually slime.
Oh my gosh, that's so sweaty.
Thank you guys for watching. And don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.